Hi, I am Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am doing a Meesho haul. Actually, this is my first lifestyle video. In the recent past, I have seen so many beauty bloggers and fashion bloggers doing Meesho hauls, and they are claiming that the products are really great and they are affordable. So I thought I'll give it a try and I'll shop from Meesho for the coming festive season. But I want to make one thing clear: this is not sponsored by Meesho, and I am sharing my honest thoughts with you all. I have styled these pieces, and I have also observed two main important problems while shopping on Meesho. I'll share with you once we are done with the styling and haul part of this video. So to know all these details, please stay tuned till the end. The first one is this beautiful top. It is a single piece dress. The bottom is also attached to the top itself. It has side tassels so that you can adjust the size of the dress, and it has 3/4 sleeves. There is this beautiful print going on the sleeves and the dress and the bottom also. But the thing is, if you see the image, you can see that the yoke has beautiful mirror work, but the top I have received did not has that mirror work, and the length is also not sufficient for me. I am not that tall also, but still the length is not sufficient for me. I have to pair it up with another bottom. So even the color is different. If we see the image, it's like this beautiful peach pink kind of color, but what I have received is cherry red kind of color. So that is also there. Then coming to the styling part of this dress, it has a closed neckline, so I paired it with some long gold color earrings to match with the print on the top, and I paired it with gold color shararas. It looks good to see. After styling, it looks good, but overall I give like 2.5 out of 5 for this dress. Yeah. Next piece is this black color kurta with peach and gold color cup print all over it, and it came with white color pants. This kurta has yoke design, and it features some thread work, gold prints, and some mirror work, so the design looks very nice. Now it has this beautiful peach print all over it, so I decided to pair it with peach color bottom, peach color skirt, and color dupatta with gold print, so that the overall colors complement each other. I did not wear it with the white pants it came with, so it gave like an overall festive look to this kurta. I give this dress like 3 to 3.5 out of 5. So yeah. Next we have this yellow anarkali suit set. It has beautiful yoke design. It has printed flowers on it, and it also features this beautiful gotapati work on the neckline. The gotapati work is also there on the sleeves and bottom of the anarkali and dupatta also. So the work is very good. The gotapati work is very good. It comes with its own pants. It has elasticated waistband on the pants, so the fitting is also somewhat good when compared to the other products. The fitting is also somewhat good. However, the material is not that great. It is not that bad, and it is not that great also. Yeah, this is a good one. I give it like 3 to 3.5 out of 5. Then as the last piece, we have this rayon kurti and sharara set. This is the least favorite of all the pieces that I have got. The buttons look very tacky. They are not good looking, and the thread work and the mirrors with thread work, it is also very bad. The quality is very bad. Cloth is not good, so I give it like 1 or maximum 1.5 stars out of 5 stars. Yeah, I have mentioned right, two things that I have observed on Meesho while shopping are, first of all, if you use sizes up to M in other brands, you will not find pieces that easily on Meesho. Meesho has sizes that are starting from 38. I find that weird. So I did not have much collection to shop from Meesho because all the pieces are starting from L size. So that's one thing I have observed. And the second most important thing is, if you want to order 4 pieces, you cannot add 4 pieces at a time to the cart and order them. You have to like first order one piece, then you have to again add the second piece to the cart, and again you have to order. So if you have to order 4 pieces, you have to place 4 separate orders. I wonder why it is like that.
Yeah.
So the quality of some pieces are good and some pieces are not that great. So yeah, it depends on the seller, I guess. And one thing I want to say is, while you are shopping from Meesho, don't just see the pic and buy it. Go to the reviews part. So many people are posting the original pics of the clothes and reviews there. So you read that reviews, you see the pictures of the original customers, then only buy a product. What do you think of this haul? What do you think about this haul? Do you want me to do other Meesho hauls? Do let me know. I'll plan my videos accordingly. So yeah, with that, I'm wrapping up today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give it a like, also share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.